If your funnel looks like spaghetti of tools, ClickFunnels dito, Mailchimp doon, Zapier sa gitna, bro, this one's for you. Ang sakit sa ulo, di ba? Ang daming tabs, ang daming logins, ang daming connection errors, at sa dulo, ikaw pa rin ang stress. Building funnels manually is like juggling 3 laptops with one hand. But here's the smarter way. Zapify. One platform na kaya lahat. Funnel builder, automations, CRM, and email campaigns all in one. No need mag-switch ng tools. No need mag-connect ng kung ano-anong Zap. You just build once. And everything flows automatically. From landing page, to follow-up, to closing. Ngayon, I build funnels 3 times faster. Mas malinis, mas organized, and most importantly, mas profitable. Wala nang tech headache. Wala nang bakit di gumagana yung Zap moments. Kung gusto mong itapon na yung spaghetti system mo at mag-start sa all-in-one setup, i-comment mo lang ang word Zapify sa baba. And I'll send you a free guide kung paano mo mas-set up tong smart funnel system sa business mo today.